Okay, so today I'm going to show you guys how to change the watch face on your Fitbit device. As you can see, this Fitbit watch face is the original that comes with the Fitbit itself. And to change it, all you have to do is go to your Fitbit app. Now from here to the right corner and click on the box. Then you want to click on your device, which is my Fitbit Versa. Then on the bottom here, you can see clock faces. So this is the clock face that I have on my Fitbit device right here. And as you can see here on the top, it says My Versa and it says All Clocks. You want to click on All Clocks. And then from here you could choose from whatever face you want. As you can see here, there's some clock faces from Fitbit itself. You could view all of them. They have a couple here that you could choose from. Or if you don't like these, you can also go to a third-party clock face. There's many different ones to choose from. We got the staff picks. There's other ones, stats heavy here. You have probably like hundreds to choose from. So right now I'm gonna choose a quick one. Let's see here. Let me choose this one right here. This one is called Layers. Then from here you want to choose Select, click Install. And from there it's gonna show the loading bar. This is gonna show you how long you have until the watch face downloads to the Fitbit watch. Okay, so the Fitbit vibrated here 2 times, and since it's loaded up all the way full, it changes. So as you can see, it changed like that quick. It took around, I'll say, like a couple seconds. Now from here you could customize the watch face here. If you go to settings, you could choose the type of color, the theme color here. We got orange, we got red. Let's choose orange. Now from here, just turn on the watch, and it should take a couple of seconds for the color to transfer into the watch here. Some of them you could choose the colors, others you can't, and depending which ones you choose. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace out.